So we're just gonna jump right in. I'm gonna put on some chapstick. My chapstick looks really weird because it melted, so don't judge me. Okay, so I just cleansed my face using these Equate cleansing pads. Mine are kind of beat up. But yeah, I told you guys about these before. I get these from Walmart. That's what keeps my face so clear. To be honest, it's the only thing that I ever use. So the first thing that I got was these Real Technique sponges. And they're 2 Miracle Mini Eraser sponges. And they look like this. And I saw other YouTubers that I like using them. And they both really like them. So I got them from Ulta. And I'm very, very excited to try them. So I'm going to use these to prime my eyes with this next thing that I got, which is the Tarte Shape Tape. I've had this concealer before, but I had it in Deep. And Deep was a little bit too dark to like highlight with, which is what I was wanting it for. So this time I got Tan Sand, which I'm afraid is going to be a little bit too light, but we're just going to go with it. So yeah, that's what that is. And I'm going to go wet these sponges and apply this to my eyelids, and I'll be right back. I wet this little Real Technique sponge, and this is the wet one, and this is the dry one. And I don't know if you guys can really tell, but it got a lot bigger. Like, it's actually really soft and squishy, and like I like the way it feels. So yeah, it got a lot bigger. So that's cool. I just finished setting my eyes, so now I'm going to move on to eyeshadow. And yes, my eyes look very crazy right now, but I promise you guys they're gonna come together. I'm gonna be using the Juvia's Place Masquerade Mini Palette. That's what the outside looks like, and this is what the inside looks like. As soon as I opened this, it inspired me to do a blue look, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. And then I'm going to use the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette. That's what that looks like. And I have the names taped on the back. When I got the card, I like taped it on the back, and it's like it stayed there. I've traveled with it, so like lit. And I wanted to use this because it has like some blue mattes in it, and that's I think that those are like the only blue mattes that I have, I'm not gonna lie. But okay, so first I'm gonna start off with a neutral color just to, you know, like lay down and like be a transition color. So I'm going to take the color Firework, that color right there, and put it in my crease. So now I'm going to take this color from the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm gonna start with this light blue color here, and that one's called Jada. Okay, so I'm gonna take just a little bit of that first color that we used and a little bit of this yellow color in the Jaclyn Hill palette. That one's called Creamsicle. No, it's not. I lied. No, that one is called Creamsicle. So the one that I used before was called Butter, not Firework. I'm just stupid. Okay, so I'm done with both. Well, I'm not done with both eyes, but I put that color, blended it as best as I could on both eyes, and my camera still is making me look kind of crazy, but I promise in person it doesn't look that bad. I'm gonna put on the color Dahlia, I guess that is, right there, from the Juvia's Place palette. Okay, so now that I have the bottoms wiped off, I'm gonna take this shimmery blue color from the Jaclyn Hill palette. It's called Pool Party, and I'm gonna put that on my lid. I'm gonna spray my brush with some setting spray. It's the Essence Keep It Perfect makeup fixing spray, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this out for the first time by spraying my brush with it to use this eyeshadow. Okay, so I just applied liquid eyeliner and also some glitter eyeliner on the top. And I put on this MAC Prep and Prime Natural Radiance base, And now I'm going to put on this Benefit Professional. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. So now I'm just gonna highlight with the Tarte Shape Tape. This might be a little bit of work, or I'm sorry, this might be a little bit light, but okay, so now I'm just gonna take some of my Van Nuys banana powder. So this is the finished look.